Yeah, man. Welcome to Jamaica.
Hell yeah.
Rafting on the Martha Bray. Hope you enjoy, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. Lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone. 'Cause with you, I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place.
Yes.
It's the things that you do. And it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a dream.
It's so beautiful out here, isn't it?
It really is. So we just took some pictures, guys. Kind of broke my camera.
Everything, baby?
Huh?
Do you have everything?
Yes. You good on the plate?
Yes, baby.
Okay. So we are headed back. It's so beautiful. Headed back up to our room. We're gonna try to make.
A picture right here would be cute, you know?
It would. Let's get a picture right here. I don't have my stand. I'm always breaking something, so you guys probably won't see me get pictures right here, but yeah, I'm going to, since we have on blue, we're trying to get pictures where the blue is.
This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would.
Just wanted to show you guys what the next morning is looking like. You guys seen this dress on my Fashion Nova haul, so I just decided, since it's a little big, to go ahead and tie these up so that they are pushed up just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then this is the face. And I got these little cheap earrings from, see if you can see them, from the hair store. And I just thought it'll bring out all the little yellow. And then Babe has on the same thing. Do you want to get on camera? Oh, he's... He has on the same thing. We're about to head down to breakfast and get something to eat, I guess. I'll show you guys what breakfast looks like. So, here's the outfit. All right. Okay, so here's what's going on. Babe did not charge his phone last night. No biggie. We ain't gonna worry about it. We're just gonna leave it here to charge, and we're about to head out. We just left breakfast. We left from getting our COVID test because we leave tomorrow and you have to do it 1 to 2 days in advance. They've already came in and cleaned up. They cleaned up early today. I'm so thankful about that. So when we get dressed tonight, it's not a big deal. And then, are you ready?
Yes, I am, baby.
Okay. So now we about to go try to find some water boys.
Those who know, know.
If you know, you know. Okay. So we got a little frappes. We went and did signed up for our last excursion. We wasn't sure if we're gonna feel like it today. Come on, babe. You sitting down,
just trying
to get comfortable. We signed up for our last what's it called?
Raft. Is that
Rafting.
mine?
Yeah, I think this is yours. Excursion.
How do you know?
Because I think I had more. Oh, that's mine.
How I said we got the same thing.
Excursion or whatever.
I
love you too. So we're about to go walk the water. We really don't have much time to be doing all this. I just wanted to hop in and let you guys know. So we're about to go walk the water and find us so we can chill out, vibe out. Sorry. So that we can vibe out for the last few days. My phone is fully charged, so I'm gonna try to stay off of it. And then before we go rafting, we can come pick your phone up. We can come up here like 20 minutes before we gotta go down.
You got everything?
Yes.
Should I put on some more phone?
No, you good.
Okay.
We're about to go outside anyway.
Here's your frap.
Okay, grab it for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, y'all. So I will see you guys outside.
Where's your phone?
Right here.
Okay.
All right.
Trust me, we got the power to change the world. Need you to trust me. You will get no less than you deserve.
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby.
Trust me, the thing we got is better than this. Need you to trust me. This town ain't crazy, nobody guesses. It's the way you do your thing, yeah, you mesmerizing me. I'ma tell you how I feel. It's the way you do your thing, and the feeling is so real, and I never wanna leave you. Here we are lying under the stars. I'd do anything to own your heart. The world is gonna let them tear us apart. So why won't you put your love on me now? So put your love on me now. So put your love on me, darling. Put your love on me now. Trust me, the grass ain't greener on the other side. Need you to trust me. No other side when it's you and I. Trust me, the thing we got is better than this. Need you to trust me. This town is crazy, nobody cares like we do. It's the way you do your thing, yeah, you mesmerizing me. I'ma tell you how I feel. It's the way you do your thing, and the feeling is so real, and I never wanna leave you. Here we are lying under the stars. I'd do anything to own your heart. The world is gonna let them tear us apart. So why won't you put your love on me now?
We just came back from getting our massage. I feel really oily, but that was like, and I have a masseuse at home, so if he watches this, you know, he ain't watching this. He might watch it, I don't know. But that was literally the best massage that I think I may have ever had in my life. And
it was a 15-minute massage, but they did it for like an hour.
Yeah, they did it for an hour and 9 minutes because they liked us. So they said they was gonna hook us up.
Cool.
Yeah, they were real cool. We made sure to tip them big, y'all. We're tipping everyone because I just think it's custom to do so, especially, you know, when you're blessed enough to even come to their country. We've seen a lot of people being a little rude and a little privileged, and just we ain't gonna go into that. Just anytime you visit another country, just remember customs are different, everything is different, and just please have respect, especially for those that do serve you, because initially that's what they're doing. They want to make sure you have a great stay. Don't make it hard for them. They have to deal with this like all the time, every day. This is what they do. They work here.
Sure.
I'm good. Are you good?
Yeah.
Oh.
You want coffee.
Anyway, but yeah, just have love for everybody, y'all. Like, it ain't nothing. Like, you won't imagine the blessings and how people treat you when you just show them a little love. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. Anyway, we're just waiting right now until we go on our excursion. I'm trying to think if I'm going to bring the camera because I'm having some camera malfunction. So I'm not gonna lie, there is a whole day that will not be included in here in this vlog, and that's okay. I just I can't pick up my camera at every moment because I'm trying to take it all in. Like, it's hard trying to like vlog and be an influencer and stuff like that, because you have to have your camera. If you don't have someone working for you, you will barely be able to enjoy your trip. And y'all, this is my first time in Jamaica, so I don't know about y'all. I'm enjoying
out the country since you was a kid.
Yeah, I'm enjoying my trip. Okay, so I love you, Susan. Oh, I turned it to the side at the perfect time. Look at that.
It's a good thing I wasn't drinking. I don't know I was drinking. Because there'll be an accident between those things coming on. Maybe I have to see 2 different roads. 10 different things.
I'm in there. Plenty of time. Nice good story though.
Oh, we're going to be rafting for a long time. You hear me? Because that is where we enter, is where we go out. So he said I'm gonna come back down here and turn around and wait on y'all. So we're gonna be rafting this whole time. Oh my God! You got your phone out?
Nah.
Those people, most of the girls are my home girls, you know?
Okay.
People I've been to school with, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what's up.
So they know me. Yeah, man. Welcome to Jamaica.
Hell yeah.
Rafting on the Martha Bray. Hope you enjoy, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
Okay, that's what's up. This is so beautiful.
Oh my God. This is,
What do you think about it, baby?
It's a dream. It's a dream. This is beautiful.
Okay?
Yes.
What's your
I
name?
love you so much.
I love you.
My name is Trey. Her name is Mary.
Mary.
Yes, sir.
To the lamb.
Yep.
What's your name?
My name is Brandon.
Brandon. Okay.
Yeah, man.
I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. You're like a dream.